comprehensive and detailed explanation of dexamethasone structured clearly for easy understanding, suitable for nursing, medical, or pharmacy reference. Dexamethasone Complete Drug Information. 1. Basic information. Generic name, dexamethasone. Drug class, corticosteroid glucocorticoid subclass. Drug forms, oral, tablets, 0.5 milligrams, 0.75 milligrams, 1.5 milligrams, 4 milligrams, 6 milligrams, oral solution. Injectable, intravenous, IV, intramuscular, IM, ophthalmic, drops, ointment, topical, creams, gels, less commonly used. Implant, Ozurdex, used for eye conditions. Now brand names, Decadron, common, Dexpac, Ozurdex, intravitreal implant, Maxidex, ophthalmic solution, Bacadron, Hemati, oncology use. 2. Definition. Dexamethasone is a potent, long-acting synthetic corticosteroid used to treat a wide range of inflammatory and autoimmune conditions. It mimics the action of cortisol, a natural hormone produced by the adrenal cortex, but is significantly more potent and has a longer duration of action. Mechanism of action. Dexamethasone works by binding to intracellular glucocorticoid receptors in target tissues, modifying the transcription of anti-inflammatory proteins and inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines, decreasing capillary permeability and leukocyte migration, suppressing immune responses, especially T lymphocytes and macrophages, reducing histamine release, prostaglandin synthesis, and other mediators of inflammation. This results in reduced inflammation, immune suppression, and anti-proliferative effects. 4. Indications. Dexamethasone is used in many conditions including inflammatory and autoimmune disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, lupus LE, vasculitis, psoriasis, allergic conditions, asthma, anaphylaxis, adjunctive therapy, severe allergic dermatitis, angioedema, cancers as part of chemotherapy regimens, leukemia, lymphoma, multiple myeloma, e.g. with bortezomib, neurological, cerebral edema, brain tumor trauma, prevention of chemotherapy-induced nausea, postoperative nausea, vomiting, endocrine, adrenal insufficiency, Addison's disease when mineralocorticoid also used, congenital adrenal hyperplasia, infectious disease adjuncts, bacterial meningitis to reduce inflammation, severe COVID-19 with respiratory failure, ophthalmic ENT conditions, iritis, uveitis, post-surgical inflammation, allergic conjunctivitis. 5. Contraindications. Absolute or relative contraindications include known hypersensitivity to dexamethasone or any component, systemic fungal infections, risk of worsening infection, live or live attenuated vaccines, uncontrolled infections, untreated peptic ulcers, severe psychiatric disorders, risk of steroid-induced psychosis, glaucoma, increased intraocular pressure, Cushing's syndrome, diabetes mellitus relative due to hyperglycemia risk. Precautions before use. Inform your healthcare provider if you have or had diabetes mellitus or prediabetes, hypertension, peptic ulcer or GI bleeding, osteoporosis or bone loss, recent surgery or injury, eye conditions, cataracts, glaucoma, infections, TB, herpes simplex of the eye, fungal infections, liver kidney disease, mood disorders, depression, bipolar psychosis, vaccination history, pregnancy or lactation. 7. How to use. Oral, take with food or milk to reduce GI irritation. Follow the prescribed schedule strictly. Do not increase or decrease the dose without consulting a doctor. Injectable, IV, or IM, administered in clinical settings by professionals. Dosing depends on indication and patient's weight or severity. Ophthalmic, wash hands before use. Avoid touching the dropper to the eye. Use only for the prescribed duration to avoid increased eye pressure or infection. Inhaled, topical, use only in prescribed area. Apply thin layer and do not cover unless instructed. 8. Dosing information. Dosing varies significantly by condition, route, age, and severity. Typical adult dose, anti-inflammatory, 0.75 to 9 milligrams per day PO in divided doses. Cerebral edema, 10 milligrams IV, then 4 milligrams IM Q6H for 48 hours. Asthma exacerbation, 4 to 6 milligrams PO or IM once daily for 5 to 10 days. COVID-19 severe, 6 milligrams IV PO once daily for up to 10 days. Chemotherapy-induced nausea, 8 to 20 milligrams IV before chemo. Pediatric, e.g. croup, 0.6 milligrams kilogram orally or IM, max 10 milligrams. Note, always taper gradually when stopping after long-term use. 9. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered unless it's almost time for next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms. Fluid retention, hypertension, high blood sugar, confusion, seizures, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat. Management, emergency care with supportive treatment. Activated charcoal and early ingestion. Monitor vitals and electrolytes. 10. When to stop or avoid taking. Avoid or stop taking if you develop serious infections. You're exposed to live vaccines. You experience serious psychiatric symptoms. You're advised to taper slowly after long-term use to prevent adrenal crisis. Symptoms of Cushing's syndrome, moon face, central obesity develop. Never stop suddenly after prolonged use. Risk of adrenal insufficiency. 11. Side effects. In detail, common side effects. Increased appetite, weight gain, acne, facial swelling, moon face, insomnia, mood changes, irritability, anxiety. Serious side effects. Endocrine, adrenal suppression, Cushingoid features, cardiovascular, hypertension, fluid retention, edema, musculoskeletal, osteoporosis, muscle wasting, avascular necrosis, hip, GI, peptic ulcers, pancreatitis, neuropsychiatric, euphoria, insomnia, psychosis, depression, immune, increased risk of infection, delayed wound healing, ophthalmic, cataracts, glaucoma, increased intraocular pressure. Shata 12. Vital information. Long-term use equals regular monitoring of blood sugar, blood pressure, bone density, DEXA, eye exams, electrolytes. Risk of adrenal crisis if stopped abruptly after prolonged therapy. Avoid abrupt withdrawal. Dexamethasone can mask infection signs, e.g. fever. 13. Drug interactions. Drugs that decrease dexamethasone effect. Rifampin, phenytoin, carbamazepine, barbiturates. Drugs that increase dexamethasone levels. Ketoconazole, clarithromycin, ritonavir. Others. NSAIDs, GI bleeding risk. Anticoagulants, e.g. warfarin, altered INR, diuretics. Risk of hypokalemia. Diabetes medications may need adjustment, glucose. Live vaccines, avoid during treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.